Hi, how you doing?
No one notices that Chris Horner has orthodontic braces. All the hardware hides behind his teeth. Chris wears a new type of lingual braces. They are smaller and interfere less with speech.
I've been extremely pleased with them. Really, quite frankly, it was only about a 7 to 9 day period of discomfort, which I think you'll get with any, I would imagine you'd get with any type braces.
Chris did not qualify for the popular Invisalign clear plastic trays called aligners. His case was too complicated. So Chris's orthodontist, Dr. Cliff Alexander, suggested new braces made by a Dallas company called LingualCare.
So this new appliance that we have is much smaller. Patients jump out of the chair and can almost speak perfectly.
In older lingual braces, large brackets often cause speech problems. Dentists also spend hours bending the wires by hand.
And so that's always been a challenge to get over.
With LingualCare, small computer-designed brackets mold to fit each individual tooth. Robot technology, not the orthodontist, bends the custom wires, which are changed less frequently than conventional wires.
And the cool thing about Lingual, too, is that you can see the progress as you go.
With Invisalign and the new lingual braces, computer technology designs and makes the appliances. In many cases, this translates into more efficient and quicker treatment. But the best part is people don't even know you're wearing braces. For Baylor College of Dentistry, Texas A&M System, I'm Dr. Linda Neeson, Channel 8 News.